Xin chào, welcome to Korean Bar.
Hi there, I'm here. So today we were actually searching a lot of websites today morning in terms of finding a name for our puppy who's going to join us real soon. So
Yeah, so we're gonna have a puppy in another 2 weeks. And to be honest, puppy is not my thing, but it's a Mr. Butt thing. So I'm gonna let him talk about why he want a puppy.
Okay, so this is our first puppy together for me and Noong. So I'm not sure if it's gonna be good or how it's gonna be like, but hey, we're gonna welcome him real soon in exactly like in 2 weeks. Soon by April 25th, we'll have our puppy here. So,
And by the way, where's your hometown?
Ozzy.
Kochi? Is any jungle there?
There is one in the middle of the city.
Are you from there? Look at him.
Okay.
After 3 weeks being at home, so congratulations. You look like a jungle boy with that hair, that beard.
Yeah, you guys it's so easy for the ladies, but for guys, yeah, I'm lazy. Alright, anyways. So, what I'm gonna do right now is, we have chosen a couple of names, and we want you guys to, probably give us some ideas, plus probably choose one of the names that we had picked. So what is your choice?
We have been searching for a month and we haven't decided anything yet.
Yeah.
So originally he wants something from space because he really loves space. And when we look at all the space names, it's really difficult to put in the pet's name.
And no, actually, it's not so difficult. But she said that it's pretty hard for most of the Vietnamese to call those names. So it'll be hard for us to take the puppy around, and people, when we say that name to the people, it will be really hard for them to pronounce the names. So she wanted the dog to have some name which is so easy to pronounce and so easy to call. While
and it's cute.
Yeah. Well, I want my puppy to be named really special because I had named my previous puppy so easy and all those names. The last puppy that I had, we called her Chiang.
Chiang.
That is not my pick. I picked the name Coco, and my mom named her Chiang. So here you go. So this time she is picking a name. What was your name again? What did you pick?
Lucky.
Yeah, she picked Lucky.
So just imagine. Lucky. See, so cute.
Well, it's a common name. That's one major reason why I'm not so interested in calling my pup Lucky. But I still love the name. I have no objection to the name. I seriously consider that name as one of the options. But I would love to call space names. And I was looking out for a lot of names, but I was thinking, why should I look for any other name while I can call my pup Space? Like space name, Space. Call him Space. It's so easy. So I would say
try
Space.
Space. So difficult.
You call me Andy.
Andy is easy, but Space.
Space.
And imagine how it's difficult for Vietnamese to
So
call.
can you try to say that in exact Vietnamese accent?
Chị bay ơi, or bay ơi. That's how they want to call him, and he will get confused,
Probably. But to be frank, our puppy will be mostly with us in this apartment here, and probably he will go out when I take him out. So I'm gonna be with him almost all the time when he's out. So I don't see any issue with that. But hey, we should consider that we are living in Vietnam, and probably the puppy is gonna get exposed to a lot of people, and they all want to call him his name.
Community.
Yeah.
And another option is that we can a lot of websites, like more than 300 names from Mr. Google.
Yeah. For me, it's Miss Google, by the way. So we found this name a little bit tacky. Ozzy. So it's not Aussi, not Ozzy. That name is Ozzzy. So it's Ozzy. It pronounces the same. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it right, but hey, that's what it is. So we have three options right now. We have Lucky, we have Space, and we have Ozzy. So we want to leave these options to you guys to decide and pick a name from any of these three names. Yeah, and probably you can suggest another name along with the suggestions that we have provided. So pick a name from these three and choose another name which you love to name your puppy. So, and probably we won't steal it, but if we find interesting, we will ask your permission. So
please help us. I want to decide it before the puppy comes because we need to prepare.
Yeah. So we will be posting another video when we go to pick up the puppy, right? So yeah,
he's really beautiful.
Yeah,
I don't really into dogs, but
yeah.
I can tell he's beautiful. So I hope I will have a lot of love.
Yeah, this is her first puppy, by the way. She's gonna have actually this is her first pet ever since her childhood. Like, she never had a pet in her childhood, and I really feel sorry for you, but this is your time to have that feeling of having a pet. Probably you will love this puppy more than me because it's your first pet. I'm not sure, but she might,
Let's see.
Okay. All right. So please comment on your pick of the names and probably suggest another name if you have any. And thanks a lot for watching. Yeah, that's all about it. It's a short video. Help us to figure out a name. And please like and subscribe. Help us out. Also, please follow us on Instagram. We're there on Instagram and Facebook too. I will leave the links to the description below. And stay home, stay safe. Enjoy your time with your family and loved ones. Take care.